Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday English Podcast. I'm Jay.
And I'm Mia. So happy you're joining us today.
How's it going, Mia?
Oh, I'm buzzing. I'm planning a little weekend trip.
Ooh, a trip. Where are you headed?
Just a small town by the coast. Nothing fancy, but I'm so excited.
That sounds perfect. A little getaway is so good for you.
A getaway. That's exactly the word. Just a quick reset.
Love it. And that's our topic today, right?
It sure is. A weekend trip and getting around.
Perfect timing. All the phrases you need for a little adventure.
Ooh, I need all of them. Let's make me a pro.
We'll get you there. Quick thing first, everyone.
Yes. If you enjoy the show, hit that like button.
And subscribe. It really helps us out.
Okay, Jay. So why is this such a great topic?
Because travel English is super practical.
True. You use it the moment you leave home.
Right. Booking a place, finding your way, asking for directions.
And a lot of it works in your own city, too.
Exactly. Getting around is an everyday skill.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's pack our bags.
Let's hit the road.
Okay, Jay. First step. How do I talk about planning a trip?
You start with the fun word. I'm planning a weekend trip.
I'm planning a weekend trip. Simple.
Or I'm taking a little getaway.
Getaway. I love that word already.
It's a happy word. It means a short, relaxing trip.
And how do I say where?
You say, I'm headed to the coast. Or, I'm going up to the mountains.
Headed to. Ooh, that sounds natural.
It does. Headed to just means going to.
I'm headed to a little beach town.
Perfect. And how are you getting there?
Ooh, good question. How do I say that?
You say, I'm driving up. Or, I'm taking the train.
I'm taking the train. And if I fly?
I'm flying out Saturday morning.
Flying out. So many little phrases.
And here's a fun planning one. I'm going to make a weekend of it.
Make a weekend of it? What does that mean?
It means turn it into a full, fun weekend.
Oh, I love that. Make a weekend of it.
And if you invite someone. Want to make a trip of it?
Ooh, so I can invite a friend along.
Exactly. Trips are more fun together.
The more the merrier.
Ooh, nice phrase. It means more people, more fun.
I heard it somewhere. It just felt right.
That's how you know it's sticking. Okay, next. You need a place to stay.
Right. A hotel or something. How do I book it?
You can call or ask online. Do you have any rooms available?
Do you have any rooms available? Nice and clear.
Or, I'd like to book a room for Saturday night.
Book a room. Meaning reserve it?
Exactly. Book and reserve mean the same here.
I'd like to book a room for 2 nights.
Perfect. And they might ask, for how many people?
And I say, just for 1 or for 2 of us.
Right. And a useful question, what time is check-in?
Check-in, when I can go into the room.
Exactly. And check-out is when you have to leave.
Check-in and check-out, easy pair.
And here's a smart one. Is breakfast included?
Is breakfast included? Ooh, good to know.
Always worth asking. And do you have parking?
If I'm driving up, smart.
Exactly. And when you arrive, you say, I have a reservation.
I have a reservation under Mia.
Perfect. Under your name, just like the doctor's office.
It all connects again.
It really does. Everyday English repeats everywhere.
And if the room is nice?
You enjoy it, but you might ask, could I get a wake-up call?
A wake-up call for heavy sleepers like you.
Hey now. But yes, exactly.
4 alarms and a wake-up call.
Don't expose me like that.
Okay, Jay, here's the big one for me. Directions.
Ah, the classic travel skill. And I get lost easily, so I know it well.
True. You're the perfect teacher then.
Learn the hard way. So, the opener. Excuse me.
Excuse me. To get their attention politely.
Exactly. Excuse me. How do I get to the train station?
How do I get to? Ooh, that's the key phrase.
It really is. How do I get to the beach? How do I get to Main Street?
So flexible. Just add the place.
Right. Or you ask, where's the nearest coffee shop?
Where's the nearest? So I find the closest one.
Exactly. And they'll answer with direction words.
Ooh, I need those. What are they?
The basics. Go straight, turn left, turn right.
Go straight, turn left, turn right. Okay.
And it's on your left, or it's around the corner.
Around the corner. Meaning very close?
Exactly. Just nearby, around the bend.
What if they talk too fast?
Ooh, key move. You slow it down kindly.
How?
You say, sorry, could you say that again?
Could you say that again? From the doctor episode.
You're connecting everything today.
And can I check I understood?
Please do. You repeat it back. So straight, then left at the light.
Straight, then left at the light. Smart to confirm.
Always confirm. It saves you from getting lost.
Says the man who gets lost easily.
Exactly why I confirm everything now. Okay, next. Getting around once you're there.
Right. Buses, trains, all that.
Exactly. Say you need the bus. You ask, which bus goes downtown?
Which bus goes downtown? Clear.
Or, does this bus go to the beach?
Does this bus go to? So I check before I get on.
Smart move. And for the train, where's the platform?
The platform, where the train comes, right?
Exactly. Which platform for the coast train?
Ooh, useful. And how do I pay?
You ask, where can I buy a ticket?
Where can I buy a ticket? And how much?
Right. How much is a ticket to downtown?
How much is a ticket? Easy.
And a super handy one. Does this stop at the museum?
Does this stop at? So I know where to get off.
Exactly. And when it's your stop, you say, this is my stop.
This is my stop. Time to get off.
And if you take a taxi or rideshare?
Ooh, right. What do I say?
Simple. Could you take me to this address?
Could you take me to? And I show the address.
Exactly. And how long will it take?
How long will it take? So I know the time.
Perfect. And at the end, thanks so much. Have a good one.
Have a good one. It works everywhere.
The most useful phrase in English.
Okay, Jay, I'm there now. I want to explore.
Yes, this is the fun part. And locals know the best spots.
So how do I ask them?
You ask for a recommendation. Do you know any good places to eat?
Any good places to eat? Ooh, yes.
Or what's a good spot around here?
A good spot. So casual.
It is. And a great one. Do you know anywhere good nearby?
Anywhere good nearby. And they'll point me somewhere.
Exactly. And you can ask, is it worth checking out?
Worth checking out? Meaning worth visiting?
Right. Is the old town worth checking out?
I love that. Worth checking out.
And if you want the local secret, where do the locals go?
Ooh, where do the locals go? That's the good stuff.
It really is. You skip the tourist traps.
Tourist traps? What are those?
Spots that are crowded and overpriced, just for tourists.
Oh, so I want where the locals actually eat.
Exactly. That's where the magic is.
And when I find a great place?
You soak it in. This place is amazing.
This place is amazing. And if the view is nice?
What a view. Or, this is breathtaking.
Breathtaking. Oh, that's beautiful.
It means so beautiful, it takes your breath away.
What a view. I'm going to use that all weekend.
That's the spirit. Enjoy every second. Okay, last block. The trip's over. Heading home.
Aw, already? But, okay, how do I talk about it after?
This is great small talk fuel. People ask, how was your trip?
How was your trip? And I answer with energy.
Exactly. It was amazing. Or, I had the best time.
I had the best time. So warm.
And you add a detail. The beach was gorgeous.
Answer. Then add a little. From episode 16.
You've got the formula down cold.
What if it was just okay?
You keep it light. It was nice and relaxing.
Nice and relaxing. No pressure to be dramatic.
Exactly. And a fun one. I could use a vacation from my vacation.
What does that mean?
It's a joke. It means the trip was so busy, now you need to rest.
I love that. So relatable.
And if you want to go back, I can't wait to go again.
I can't wait to go again. Aww.
Or I'm already planning my next trip.
Already planning the next one. That's me for sure.
Once you catch the travel bug, that's it.
The travel bug, like the sick bug, but fun?
Exactly. It means you love traveling and want more.
I've definitely got the travel bug.
Honestly, same. There's always somewhere new.
So a trip gives you great stories to share.
That's the best part. The trip ends, but the stories keep going.
Oh, I love that so much.
Okay, one more. Sometimes on a trip, little things go wrong.
Oh, right. And I panic. How do I stay calm?
With a few handy phrases, then it's no big deal.
No big deal. I love that already.
So say you're late. You text, I'm running a little behind.
Running a little behind, meaning late?
Exactly. Softer than saying I'm late. I'm running behind. Be there soon.
Oh, that's calm and polite. What if I miss the bus?
You just say, I missed the bus. When's the next one?
When's the next one? Smart. Keep moving.
Right, there's always a next one. And if you're lost?
Ooh, that's my fear. Lost in a new place.
Totally normal. You say, I think I'm lost. Can you help me?
I think I'm lost. And people help?
Almost always. Most people are kind. Just ask.
Aw, that's reassuring. What if I lose something?
You ask, has anyone turned in a phone? Or, I think I left my bag here.
I left my bag, so I go back and check.
Exactly. And a calming phrase for yourself. It happens.
It happens, so I don't stress.
Right. Things go sideways, it happens, you figure it out.
Go sideways? Meaning go a little wrong?
Exactly. When things go sideways, stay calm.
I love that. And if a stranger helps me a lot?
You thank them warmly. You really saved me. Thank you.
You really saved me. So grateful.
And you move on with your day. All good now.
All good now. Back to the fun.
Exactly. A little bump never ruins a good trip.
That's such a healthy way to travel.
Relaxed traveler, happy traveler.
All right, let's recap today's favorites.
Good call. We traveled a lot in one episode.
Planning. I'm planning a getaway. I'm headed to the coast.
Make a weekend of it. The more, the merrier.
Booking. I'd like to book a room. What time is check-in?
I have a reservation. Is breakfast included?
Directions. Excuse me, how do I get to the station?
Go straight, turn left. It's around the corner.
Transit. Which bus goes downtown? This is my stop.
Where can I buy a ticket? How much is a ticket?
Exploring. Any good places to eat? Where do the locals go?
Worth checking out. What a view. Breathtaking.
Heading home. How was your trip? I had the best time.
And the travel bug. Once you catch it, you're hooked.
When things go wrong, I'm running behind. I think I'm lost.
It happens. When things go sideways, stay calm. All good now.
What a list. I feel ready to explore anywhere.
That's exactly the goal. Go see the world. Okay, time for our role play corner.
Yay, my favorite part.
Let's put it together. A traveler asking a local for help.
Ooh, fun. Who am I?
You're the traveler, new in town. I'm a friendly local.
Got it. Let me set the scene. I just got off the train.
Perfect, whenever you're ready.
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. How do I get to the beach?
Oh, easy. Go straight down this street, then turn left at the light.
Straight? Then left at the light. Is it far?
Not at all. It's just around the corner. 5 minutes, tops.
Oh, perfect. And do you know any good places to eat nearby?
Ooh, great question. There's a little cafe where the locals go. Amazing seafood.
Where the locals go, that's what I want. Is it worth checking out?
Absolutely worth it. Skip the tourist spots. Go there.
You're a lifesaver. Thank you so much.
Anytime. Enjoy the beach. It's breathtaking this time of day.
Ooh, I can't wait. Have a good one.
You too. Welcome to town. And scene.
That felt so real.
It did. Did you catch everything?
All of it. Excuse me. How do I get to straight, then left?
Around the corner. Any good places to eat? Where the locals go.
Worth checking out. You're a lifesaver. Have a good one.
Warm and helpful. Start to finish.
That's how you explore like a pro. Okay, that was such a fun one.
It really was. And it's our episode 20.
Wow, 20 already. Thank you all so much.
We couldn't do it without you, really.
So remember, plan it, book it, and explore with confidence.
Ask for directions, ask the locals, and enjoy every minute.
You've got this. Go catch that travel bug.
If you want today's phrases written out, they're on the blog.
The full list is there. Link in the description.
And if this helped, give us a like.
And subscribe so you don't miss the next one.
We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
So we'll see you in the next chat.
Take care, everyone.
Bye. Go have an adventure.
You heard her. See you next time.